Hi there. Welcome to my channel. After submitting your passport for stamping, you can track your package using AWB number which was received after submitting passport pickup request. Once your package received the destination, you will get series of mails that your passport reached VFS Global Office. From there to IRCC office. Once it reaches the IRCC office, then a mail with tracking ID and AWB number will be sent to your mail. You can track your application using that tracking ID like shown in the video. Once the stamping process is done, then you can track your passport location using AWB number which was sent to you along with the tracking ID. Thanks for watching. If you feel this video is useful, please like and share. If possible, subscribe my channel.